Question 2. The table shows the average temperature on each of 7 days and the number of units of gas used to heat a house on these days. So you've got average temperature and units of gas. So if you look at it, lower the temperature, more units used, so it's colder outside, so they turn the heating on, basically. Part A. Complete the scattergraph to show the information in the table. The first 5 points have been plotted for you, so 0, 20, the first one is there, 116 there, so 3, 4 there. So they've been done, and we're just going to do these two. So first one, average temperature 12, units of gas 6, so you're going to go to 12, and it goes 2, 4, 6. And next one, 13, which is in between 12 and 14, units of gas 2. Done. Right. B. Describe the relationship between the average temperature and the number of units of gas used. So because you can see it's going in this downwards direction, that is a negative correlation. If it was going upwards, it would be a positive correlation. What does negative correlation actually mean? It means as one of the things increases, the other thing decreases. So as the temperature rises, the units of gas needed used decreases. So I'm going to write as temperature rises, the units of gas used decreases. And I'm also going to add, for good measure, negative correlation. Ooh, how do you spell correlation? Be quite embarrassing if I spelled that wrong. Apologies if I did. Right. Generally, if it says describe the relationship, you should really write as temperature rises, the units of gas used decreases. But sometimes a question might say, what is the correlation? Or describe the correlation. In that case, then you would just have to put negative correlation and nothing else. Part C. Estimate the average temperature on a day when 12 units of gas are used. Right. For this question, you've got to use the points, and in the mark scheme it says if you do not draw a line of best fit you will not get the marks. So if you look at here, what we want to do is get this line of best fit drawn in the same direction as the points roughly and get roughly the same amount on each side. So I'm going to say you got 1, 2, 3, and on this side 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that'll do, around there. It's not, you don't have to do it using exact scientific methods, it's just roughly get it in the right direction, and in the mark scheme there'll be a range of answers allowed. So estimate the average temperature on a day when 12 units are used. So we need to now draw a line from 12, and as soon as you hit the line that we've just drawn, the line of best fit, we go down. So you can see it's somewhere between 6 and 8. There's 7. In between 6 and 7 there are 5 squares, which means every square is worth 0.2, so that is 6.8. So I'm going to say 6.8 degrees Celsius, except it already says degrees Celsius, so I didn't have to write that.